Hey, Joe here. I'm in Ormond Beach, Florida, just getting ready for Bike Week 23. In the meantime, I'm processing through hours of footage from Vietnam, so stay tuned for that. Basically, the only thing that sucks about being a tourist in Vietnam is you have to leave the country every 30 days and reapply for another visa. So this video will take you through some of that and also some cool footage from District 2, Saigon. So as always, if you enjoy this video, please hit like and subscribe. And as usual, I've included an optional donate link in the drop box for anybody that might like to contribute to this project. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road. In Saigon, a motorcycle taxi will take you just about anywhere in the city for $1 or $2. Unfortunately, the current visa system in Vietnam is such that it requires leaving the country every 30 days to reapply for another visa. Since my time was running out, I chose Thailand as an exit point due to having the most relaxed entry requirements and some really cheap airfare. The process would entail exiting through Vietnam immigration, boarding a plane to Thailand, going through Thai immigration, then turning right back around and boarding a plane to Saigon. After about an hour and a half flight, I landed in Bangkok. And just like that, they let me back into the country. I hope they know who they're dealing with. Although I would have liked to have stayed in Thailand, as it was, I had barely explored Vietnam. My dear friend Dow was back in Saigon and told me to meet her and some friends in Binh Thanh district. I don't know how Dow found out about this place, but it sure was off the beaten path. There she is.
Hi, Joe.
Xin chào. Long time no see.
Long time no see.
All right, so this is the snail market. He's gonna, hello. My dear friend Dow dragged me out here. I ride through the hinterlands to get here. Oh wow! All right. Wow, look at this.
This is very heavy wrap.
Okay.
Very good. No, this and this.
Okay. Those are in cream sauce.
Yes,
I definitely want some of that.
It's a really good sauce. How about if we just get one of everything? Okay.
We can eat and
Yeah.
Just a little bit
Well,
of.
yes.
Yeah.
I don't want that. I don't want that.
Okay, I don't want that, but just like some of this, some of this, some of this, some of this, and some of this. What is this? Chicken feet. Okay, good. I like chicken feet. Songa? Songa.
Yeah, bánh mì.
With banh mi? Yeah. That looks good. Little sneeze tails and cream sauce. Oh my God, poor. I'll never really understand exactly what all this is and what all the ingredients are, but it is absolutely amazing.
You have to suck the end out.
The interesting thing about this food is each one of these dishes has a completely unique flavor profile, completely different from all the other dishes. God, look at those. So beautiful. Just head and everything. Good? No? It's a snack ready to go. It's got some orange in there. So good. So your trip on his motorcycle,
So I went from Long Hoa to Saigon,
about 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, and there were 3 of us. Myself, this little boy, and him.
And that man.
And that man. And I'm on the back side of the bike, which is the widest part. And I'm straddled like this as far as I could. I felt like I was riding a horse from one of the Western movies when I got off.
Boom, boom, boom,
It
boom,
was
boom, boom.
that, and then I couldn't get off. So like you know how to get off, and they got, and I'm just like I couldn't. It was hard. I'll never do it again.
You know, it's actually a lot easier if you're the one driving the bike
Sure.
because you pick up a lot less of the turbulence.
Oh, right. And then, well, there was a section where there was nothing for construction, so it was gravel.
Yep.
And so we were
That's fun.
actually going into the one spot where people had already paved the way, and then a car decided they wanted to take that lane. And I'm like, dude, no, we need this spot because the last thing we need to do was catch a gravel go.
Yep.
But it was an interesting ride. Never again will I do this.
One of the most simple and economic ways to eat are places just like this, which advertise simply rice. Kainai? Every day the menu options change, and for $1.50 you might eat a meal like this, with rice, stewed meat, and boiled cabbage. The next day Natalie showed up with her scooter and we set off to explore District 2. And this is the banbeo, which is like a, I guess you'd call it a rice dumpling, really. And this is the famous bún bò Huế, which I've tried, but I don't think I had a very good version. So I'm excited to try this.
Stop at the middle of the bridge to look.
You want to stop?
Yeah, you can stop later. Not here.
So this right here is District 1, right?
Yep.
That's all District 1.
Over there is a 2. I think
So that's all District 2 over there. Very cool. And I'm doing the one thing they always tell the tourists never to do, which is ride a motorbike in Ho Chi Minh City. Right? I was still feeling pretty beaten up from the recent trip to the Mekong Delta, and on account of my recent hernia operation, had decided that any more long rides were out. Nevertheless, I was determined to explore this country. I scheduled a 22-hour train ride to Hue, a city famously located near the old demarcation line, and thus began the long journey up the country of Vietnam. It sure is nice to have friends in exotic places, especially the type that will deliver the world's smelliest fruit right to your door.
Hello.
Ooh, the dreaded durian. Oh my God. All right, brother. You're in here too. We're in this together. Yeah. Of course, it's easy for him because almost everybody in Vietnam, you ask them what's their favorite fruit, it's this one right here. As you guys know, I eat a lot of weird stuff. Chicken guts, pig guts. I've never been more terrified as I am right now. This stuff has an extremely pungent smell to it and absolutely terrifies a lot of Westerners. It's absolutely horrifying. But since we're in Vietnam, I'm going to give it a fair bit of respect and we're going to try it. So yeah, let's get in here. Dow's making a sour face. Really can't see. Oh, dude, that's great. You can't believe that I like it. She's about to puke over there. I don't know what's wrong with me or what's wrong with us. This is great. Got a custardy kind of a texture. It's very sweet, right?
You can eat. Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, high five. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Maybe there's something wrong with me. I don't know.
None okay.